Okay guys, this is going to be a open box of the new GoPro HERO. People are calling it GoPro Hero 13 Mini. People are calling it a GoPro Hero 4K. Well, it's the new one. It just came out along with the Hero Black 13. This is the new Hero. It's replacing the 11 Mini. And you are going to see it for the first time just like me. So let's go ahead and get this box open. And if you guys like this content, this is going to be, see, brand new. Haven't even opened it yet. This is going to be part of our force with our channel with camping and all that. If you stay till the end, I will show you what it's going to be mostly used for. So just hold your horsies. Hold your horsies. Okay, so it comes in this packaging. GoPro always packages their stuff really well. So I hope you can see this. That's what it looks like. I am in my office, as you can tell. And now I gotta figure out how to open it. Oh, okay. So it opens like this. So inside we have some literature, some paperwork, GoPro stickers. Oh, blue. That's pretty cool. We gotta save those, of course. Find somewhere stupid to put them. Some more stuff. I guess you can register it. I never do. And here is the good stuff. So let me show that to you. There it is. This is the GoPro HERO. This is the cord to charge it, and the typical stuff you always get with your GoPro, the twisty turn bolt and two things that we never use. So now this thing is kind of small, and this is why I wanted it. I'm gonna put this to the side. This is gonna replace, hang on. This is gonna replace my GoPro Hero 5 Sessions, which is pretty old. So it's pretty nice, little. It's got the screen in the back. That's what I like. Your camera, it says on here, if you can see that, camera needs to be updated. So when you plug it in, it will ask you to update it. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with this new camera, I'll talk to you while I do this stuff here. It does not have a battery on it that you can take out. The battery is permanent. It's inside, kind of like the Hero Sessions 5. There you go. Okay, so let's do this. Let's measure this. So it is just about 2 inches. About 2 1/8. 2 1/8 wide. It is 1 7/8 inches tall. So about 2 inches by 1 1/4 inches. So pretty small. And the lens does protrude out, but this can filmed in 4K. You can take the lens off. I'm not going to take it off because I don't need to. And let's fire this thing up just like you do with regular GoPros. It's just a smaller version of the GoPro 13 is what it is. So you got your power on the side, and it says HERO. See that? It says HERO. There's your power on the side. Here's your mode button, and you record on the top, and there's your screen. Pretty simple. And then it has your feet on the bottom. A lot of people, which I would have to agree with, has been saying they wish they would made it with the magnetic mounts And I would have to agree with him on that one. Because for what a lot of people are going to use this for, here's the door on this side. You see that? Has the charging port and the SD card slot. So let's fire this baby up. Woohoo! See if they got any charge in this thing. And definitely gotta get rid of the beeps. Now I don't know anything about how to use this thing. This is just an unboxing showing you what it is and how big it is. So here's my mouse. So it's not even big as a mouse. Yeah. I really don't have anything else here. So we gotta go through some stuff. Let's do English. Check. Agree. Voice control off. Check. It does not have an SD card in it. Has 20% battery life. So again, if you want to charge it, you just open this little door. Kind of like this. They combine the basically the Sessions camera with the GoPro HERO Black cameras and made something small. And I heard that they were having a lot of trouble with their 11 mini. So let's charge this thing up, and I will be right back and show you guys with an SD card in it and battery charged and where we're going to put it. Alright, so come right back and I'll show you what we're going to use it for. Don't forget. And while you're here, give me a thumbs up. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you in a few. Well, hopefully a few. Alright, be right back guys. Alright, this is what I'm using the new GoPro HERO 4K for. Mostly is going to be for filming out the windshield, coming up to campgrounds, going through campgrounds, stuff like that. So that's what we're going to use it for mostly. So if you can see that. And to the right will be another GoPro pointing at me and my wife. Let's have my phone. And that big long one will have the rear camera, dash camera on the camper. So it wouldn't be a dash camera. So that's what we're using it for. Mostly 90% of the time. So, and I can see the back screen, so I know when it's recording. It's just a little bit better than the little sessions that I have. I'll still use that for certain things, but this is what this is going to be mainly for. Well, thank you guys for staying till the end. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. It costs nothing and it helps me build my channel so you guys can see more content. And if you like camping and roadside adventures, share this out, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment if you've got this new GoPro HERO yet and what you think about it. Alright, thanks guys, and I will see you around the campfire. Bye everybody.